Come test drive the 2017 Impala. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, iHeart Radio, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4 power windows. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.